To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. In the stream of tenses, today I am taking your future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, Hindi words चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे are found at the end of sentences. In Hindi, for example, रमन अपना कार्य कर चुका होगा, सीता एक गीत गा चुकी होगी, हम आगरा जा चुके होंगे, like this. In helping verbs, there are two helping verbs. With I and we use shall have. And with all other subjects, it means with second and third person pronouns, we use will have. It means shall have with first person pronouns, and shall have with first person pronouns, and will have with second and third person pronouns. Now, we all have to know we bring third form of the main verb in this tense. I am taking your first example. Raman will have played football. Raman will not have played football. Will Raman have played football? Why will Raman have played football? Will Raman not have played football? Why will Raman not have played football? Actually, this is your first sentence. And I am taking second. Rita will have danced. Rita will not have danced. Will Rita have danced? Why will Rita have danced? Will Rita not have danced? Why will Rita not have danced? And next one, Raman will have tried the questions. Raman will not have tried the questions. Will Raman have tried the questions? Why will Raman have tried the questions? Will Raman not have tried the questions? Why will Raman not have tried the questions? These are the sentences. And now I am taking your use of shall have. In shall have, we all have to know shall have is used with first person pronouns. And I am taking example. I shall have seen the movie. Positive. I shall not have seen the movie. Negative. Shall I have seen the movie? Interrogative. Why shall I have seen the movie? Interrogative. Shall I not have seen the movie? Interrogative and negative. Why shall I not have seen the movie? Interrogative and negative. Next one. I shall have completed the work. I shall not have completed the work. Shall I have completed the work? Why shall I have completed the work? Shall I not have completed the work? Why shall I not have completed the work? And next one, we shall have watered the plants. We shall not have watered the plants. Shall we have watered the plants? Why shall we have watered the plants? Shall we not have watered the plants? Why shall we not have watered the plants? And dear students, now as I have taken these sentences, if you practice these sentences and you adopt this serial, I think you may get perfection in this tense. This one is future perfect tense. Again, Hindi words चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे are found at the end of sentences. We use shall have with first person pronouns and will have with second and third person pronouns, and we bring the third form of the main verb in this tense. In making the video of this tense, Mr. Naveen Vasist has cooperated a lot. I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all.